Zhucheng Yazhong Food Machinery Company Limited is located in Zhucheng City, which is adjacent to Qingdao in the east with excellent geographical location and convenient transportation situation. We are a diversified company with modern management concept, market-based and user-oriented. Also, we are key enterprise which is focused on providing professional design, manufacturing, and marketing for food machinery. With abundant development, design, and manufacturing capacity, we could provide French fries and potato chips production line, deep fried line, vegetable processing line, vegetable and fruit drying line, fruit and vegetable grading production line, quick frozen food production line, chicken feet peeling line, pasteurized line, and other various machinery with different specifications. The quality of our products has reached the advanced level in China and is widely used in vegetable, meat, aquatic products, quick frozen food, and canned food industry. Our company has been implementing the concept of quality-centered, integrity-based, sincere service, and technological innovation, and our customers spread over 60 countries and regions. The purpose of our company is to meet the requirements of customers. The main policy is to guarantee the product quality and timely, fast, thoughtful after-sales service system which ensure our client keep away from the trouble. We have advanced technology, excellent processing and testing equipment, reliable manufacturing quality, strict quality assurance system, and perfect after-sales service. Sincerely welcome customers at home and abroad to visit our company and negotiate business.